You know when you use these long neck racing cans to fill up your tank in your wheeler, dirt bike, snow machine, whatever, or in this case, snowblower, and you start pouring gas everywhere? I'm going to show you a cheap fix that will keep you from spilling gas everywhere and get everything in the tank. It's pretty simple. Buy one of these from Lowe's, Home Depot. Throw that on there. There you go. Now you can pour easier. You can find the hole. That easy. Okay, one other thing to add, it also keeps you from, pouring all the way down like that. Okay, trying to spear it right in your tank. With this 90, you're able just to pour it, point it right in your tank, and open up your flow valve or whatever you want to call it, and you can do this with one hand rather than two, holding 5 gallons of gas,